Please leave a message after the tone. When finished, you may either hang up or press 1 for more options.
Welcome to the first show of The Answering Machine. Be-doo-dah. The show will be divided in 3 parts. The first part will be answers from strangers like you.
That's a great question.
It is.
The second part will be an opinion from an expert.
Educational moment. And the third part is where we put everything on the line. We answer your crazy questions.
Really?
First question is,
Why do women go crazy over a toilet seat?
That's a great question.
It is.
Oh, man.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, this is definitely the reason. It's just the golden rule.
The golden rule?
That's right. Which is you do unto others as you would have done unto you. So the next time I want to sit in a pool, I'll just leave that seat right on open. Whereas all you have to do is lift it up. So in the middle of the night, do I want to fall in? No.
Yeah, just something to complain about, I guess.
There it is.
second question.
Is Nathan's aunt a witch?
She's not. Very interesting, YouTube subscribers. My Aunt Olga will be very pleased.
Third question.
How many chicken balls can Dave eat before Dave cannot eat any more chicken balls? And I'm not talking about testicles that make him a rooster.
So this is the end of our first episode. Don't stop sending us questions.
You mean start sending us good questions?
What do you... No, don't stop sending us questions.
The questions suck.
The questions were good. The chicken balls were good.
Yeah, the chicken balls were good, but the question about the chicken balls weren't.
But
Let's just eat the cookie. With paper in mind.
you're both sociable and charming.
Send us better questions. This is the first show of The Answering Machine.
So,
Welcome to the first show of The Answering Machine. Be-doo-dah.
come on.
And the third part. Any question going.
Why do women go crazy over a toilet seat? Good.
Case closed. I'm not talking about testicles. My Aunt Olga would be very